Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
How are you doing? I'm okay. If you guys watch Silva movies, you know she's one of the most popular faces in the Nollywood industry. I mean, we look good, honestly. Don't be out. Can you ask, how many hours do you take this on? What the makeup, the outfit,
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gboah TV. You see there. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.